Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oxtail stew. First, you'll want to thoroughly brown about 3 pounds of oxtail in a heavy pot or Dutch oven. This crucial step develops deep flavor and color. Once browned, remove the oxtail and set it aside. Next, add 1 cup of chopped onions, carrots, and celery to the pot, cooking until softened and fragrant. This builds the aromatic base for your delicious stew. After sautéing your aromatics, it's time to build the rich braising liquid. Pour in about 1.5 cups of dry red wine, scraping up all those flavorful brown bits from the bottom of the pot. This deglazing step is essential for depth. Then, add 4 cups of quality beef broth, 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, and a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer. Now, carefully return the browned oxtail pieces to the pot, making sure they are mostly submerged in the flavorful liquid. Cover the pot tightly and reduce the heat to a very low simmer. Let it cook for 3 to 4 hours, or until the oxtail is incredibly fork tender and practically falling off the bone. This slow cooking process is key to achieving that melt-in-your-mouth texture. Once the oxtail is tender, remove it from the pot and skim any excess fat from the surface of the stew. You can also thicken the sauce slightly if desired. Shred the meat from the bones and return it to the sauce, or serve the oxtail whole. Adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Serve this rich, comforting stew with creamy mashed potatoes or rice. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.